Anong ginagawa mo?
Putting my face. Darn it! Alright, I see you. Alright. Okay, good. Okay.
Oo.
I'm not your favorite.
It's December 24 and there's a lot to do. Ang daming gagawin today and I decided to vlog it. I'm going to be vlogging today kung ano gagawin namin to prepare for Christmas Eve and for Christmas and yeah. I think the first thing na gagawin namin is magbalat ng hipon kasi nag-request ako na magluto si Dada ng shrimp, pasta, whatever. We used to eat that a lot sa Kalibo kasi mura lang nun yung shrimp. So, we could actually afford shrimp dun sa Kalibo before. So, we always had that shrimp pasta kapag may extra money kami. I requested that ngayong Christmas Eve. So, yeah, magbabalat kami ng hipon.
Gusto ko malaman. It's about my experience sa jeep.
Binastos ka?
Face it over here. Medyo. So, di ba, may jeep. May sinakay yung driver na ale na may malaking timba. Tapos may takip. Pero grabe ang baho. Nangangamo yung timba niya. Hindi ko na kinaya kasi sobrang baho, malapit ako.
Hindi lang yun. Ano ka sa biyahe? Tulog biyahe ka.
Oo. Tinanong ko siya, Ale, ano ba naman ang timba mo? Tapos sabi niya, bakit? Bibili ka ba? Sabi ko, grabe naman. Yung pala, umaabot pa lang sa driver yung amoy. Tapos na rin yung driver, sabi nung driver, Ale, ano nga ba kasi yung laman ng timba mo? Kahit may takip, nangangamoy. Sabi ng Ale, bakit? Bibili ka ba? So, naggalit yung driver. Bigla na lang lumilipad na yung jeep namin, mabilis. So, bigla na pinreno ng malakas ulit. Tapos natapon yung laman ng timba niya. Tapon yung laman ng timba niya.
Tapos? Ano naman ang timba?
Bakit? Ano ba yun? Alam mo yun.
Pero good execution. It was
yun
funny.
ako.
Yes, yes.
Alam mo.
Okay yun, ano mo yung timing mo?
Yeah. Alam mo na yung joke na yun?
Wala, hindi ko na yun.
Uy, ba't mapakanya na kayo ito?
Ay, gusto ko lang na magagaling sa'yo.
Okay, gusto mama ko.
Gift wrapping time. Ooh, I look really rough.
You wanna earn money?
That's some sketchy shit.
Naghahanap siyang tagagawa ng report niya. 1,000 per report.
1,000? SWOT analysis? That's some stupid shit.
Hindi, sige, ano na, 1,000 na lahat. Sabi niya kasi, ayoko na isipin yun. Basta 1,000 per report. Isa lang yun, saka isang reaction paper.
So, 2,000?
Yes. You can do it in a day. I hate it.
Ay, sabi niya nga kanina, favorite daw siya kaya niya nilagay dyan.
Wow.
I know I'm your favorite.
Yes.
You're my favorite.
Maglagay din kayo ng comforter, Nikki, ha?
Hi! So, now I'm gonna be doing my makeup because I'm looking rough. Okay, so the theme for our clothes is white. Hindi siya theme. Basta dapat all white. Apparently, Maxine didn't get the memo, so she's
Sabi ni
wearing
Mama,
green shorts.
Hindi rin naman siya all white, beige pa nga yung white.
But she's the mom. She's allowed to do that. Look at me. All white, baby. Kung nasa old house kami, we would be sleeping.
Oo.
Why?
I mean, yung mistake.
Oh my God! Hindi, blend mo lang. Go, go. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it.
Okay, blend. Blend.
Pulbusan mo, pulbusan mo. I-bake mo yung cheek mo. You know what? We'll finish this shit off camera. I'm finally done with my makeup and I still look rough. Everyone's almost finished. We're basically just waiting for Christmas.
Alexa, play Jazzy Christmas Cocktail Party from Spotify.
wallet na naka-white din. Merry Christmas! Totoo na to. Christmas na talaga. Merry Christmas! It's exchange gift time!
I'm a very unexpected visitor.
Here's my gift.
For whom?
For this nababunot ko. Christmas time is here. One for all the children call. Baka mako-copyright eh. Your favorite time of year.
300 pala.
Christmas time!
300 daw eh.
It's Christmas time!
I think Maxine should start.
What the
So, sino nabunot mo?
I wonder.
Christmas name niya.
Miss Piggy.
Pag yan akin, umais ka.
Wala lang, yung ano lang.
Okay, Jumbo.
Dan 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 dan.
Jumbo!
I knew it was mine. And department store. Another bag. What the hell? Oh, it's so nice.
That's nice.
Great.
Okay, thank you, baby. Okay, so it's my turn.
Bye.
Bye. The nickname I would give to my
By the
person
way.
that I picked is perfect.
Lucky.
Oh, God! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! What the Why am I getting hate for? Anyway, the person I picked was my mommy. Yeah!
Naiyak si mama, oh.
Oh, don't cry.
Regalo ko cheap.
Shit, sabi na.
I love this.
You need Jesus.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, grabe naman.
Nakakasyala. Nung nakita ko to, I was like, that's it.
Okay. Sorry, you're next.
What the Mom?
Ay, Maxine.
Maxine.
Yay!
Yes. Kasi wala talaga. Oops, time eh.
Oh my God! Tama na yung hula natin eh!
Brad, 300.
Oh my God! Yung pera, naka-envelope! Yung pera, naka-envelope!
Ay, excuse me, eksaktong 300 to ah.
Oh, sabi ko sa'yo eh!
I would describe my baby to be such a fucking baby.
Ace.
Though she is always being misinterpreted.
That's you. That's you, bro.
Misinterpreted, so ako yun.
Oh, ikaw yun. Gulo mo kasi. Oo.
Yeah, so...
Amen.
Merry Christmas! Buksan mo.
Sinakto mo talagang 300.
So, Dexo yan.
Ano bang ano, usapan?
300.
Okay, 300.
Oh, JS.
Oy, gago, hindi.
Okay, I like it actually.
Ah,
Ganda ng box.
you like it,
Pag,
Mama.
alam mo, pagkakita ko, alam ko na ako eh.
Why?
Hindi ko sila bibili ng ganyan.
I might buy it for Maxine.
So, if I were to describe my baby, she would probably be saucy.
Saucy.
Sorry.
So, kasi alam mo yung mga lechon na may sauce.
A very
Baka si Maxine.
caring and one of my favorite people.
Hindi si Maxine.
Sorry nga.
So, siya ako na gravy.
Para di ka naaway ni Mama sa bag mo.
Oh, I like it. I like it. Thank you.
bad.
Okay, so I guess, wala na.
Well, we all
So, my baby, what
Has a boyfriend. Ay,
the boyfriend.
that's not me.
Miss Goody Goody. Yeah.
Alan?
Alan.
Yung scrapbook.
Wala na.
Stationery.
Basta,
colored
si
paper.
Maxine. So, here you go.
Colored paper.
No. Open it.
Photo album eh.
Ah! A lot of stuff.
Ah, oo nga.
Binder.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, she needs that.
Yeah.
Mga 310 din ang ginawa rin.
Aw, that is so cute! Next year, sama na natin sa exchange gift si Alet. Kasi feel ko every year si Alet dito na rin.
Madali lang naman siya.
Oh, dito rin siya mapupunta.
Yeah, that's right. Sana kung mabunutin ako. Magregalo. Dahil pera yan eh.
Sapatos na girl.
Iinuman sila sa labas. Dito kasi kasi. Sabi ko siya. And I saw this camp.